Hello, hello. Okay, so let's have a look at update 3.10. I don't have the screenshot anymore because the beta update came through really quick. So I've just made a few notes. You can get the notes from this by going to support.remarkable.com, and you can have a look at the updates if you want. But I thought I'd just run through them with you. So archiving, these first two are related to the Connect subscription. Okay, just a second. Now, archiving is about freeing up space here on your tablet. So if we hop out of the document and we go to, say, the notes I made on update 3.6. Now, what you can do is you long press anything you want to do with the document, you can long press it. Okay, you can add other documents anytime. Or you can unselect them like that, and then you're left with what you're doing. Now there's a new option up the top here. Can you see that? Archive. So there's export, archive, tag, favorite, duplicate, rename, send, move, and delete. We want archive. But what we want to look at right now is this new function, archive. So you can see that for this file, I can do all of these things here, right? But what I want to do is I want to archive it, which means, I'll tell you what it means. It means you free up the space on your tablet that this document takes up. So if I tap archive now, you can see what's happening. It has sent a message back to my.remarkable.com, my iCloud account, and it's actually said this one is now over there, and it has taken the space that this document takes up off of here. So these are now archived. Okay, that's the archive function. And you can see when you highlight it, it's dark grey. So they use colour on the reMarkable, like black and white and grey, not colour, shades of grey, to show you different things. So yes, you can unselect it by doing that. All right, that's archiving it. The Connect subscription, I'm just trying to work out why they've mentioned it, because it doesn't look any different to me as I've read it. Your notes are always stored in the cloud. You've got reMarkable on your computer, reMarkable maybe on your tablet. So you can access my.remarkable.com, your iCloud account from there. You can take notes on your phone when you've got a Connect account. You can actually take notes. With the Connect subscription, you can capture ideas and take notes using both your mobile app and your desktop app. They say you can get exclusive offers and things. So that's the Connect subscription. So I just want to let all of my viewers know that I have a membership that's a very low price of $7 a month. That's US dollars, where you can get access to me 24/7. Of course, I do have to sleep and I live in Australia, so there's those considerations. But this is the group where I'm available to help you. I've got lots of tools and lots of training, and I obviously can help you specifically with your situation. Now, the group is just starting, so it's small, so you will get a lot more attention now than later. And I'm not sure if I'll increase the price. At this point, I just think some affordable access to support in this space is needed. So I thought this would be a great idea. So just popping in to tell you that it's like a public service announcement. You're welcome. You're welcome to come. Links are all down below, so you're welcome to come and join me and get what you need for your reMarkable and your iPad if that's what you need some tech help with. All right. Thank you for listening. Oops. Now, search results. Let's have a look at search results. When you are in any folder, so I could be in here, I could be out here, you will find up in the top right is the search function. When you click on that, it'll bring up options that you have across the way. It'll bring up tags that you've used, and then it will start listing files. And this is the tree, I can't think of the word. This shows you where the files are located. All the way down. And on it goes. Now, if you're going to type in the search function, if you're going to, let's cancel, let's go back in. The keyboard comes up because you need to type. So if I'm looking for a file called hello, there's nothing here, right? I've done a dedicated video on search, and you can certainly go and have a look at that video. But the bottom line is that what you're searching for is file names. You're looking for notebook names, you're looking for PDF names and ebook names. That's what you're looking for in here when you type up the top here, or you could also be looking for tags. So if I was to type in digital, then I'm going to bring up, there's a folder with the word digital in it. There's files with the word digital in it. These tags are all the same. Like the tags are just the tags. It's not going to make any difference what you type up here, right? But that's what you'll bring up. You cannot look for text inside of documents. It doesn't, this function does not work like that. You can only look for the word digital inside a document by going into a document and searching manually on each page. Okay, so file names is it for the search function, just so you know. You know what, it's quicker to go to from the top, go back to our document. All right, so I'm looking in the notes for the search function, why they've included it, and I can't see any other changes. So I don't know why else it's being put into the 3.10 update. All right. So keyboard shortcuts, number 4. I'm going to insert here a picture of the keyboard shortcuts that they have now included. You can use the Alt button on the Mac or the Control button on the Windows because you can access keyboard shortcuts through the desktop app or on your Typefolio. There's buttons down the bottom left-hand corner for you to access the keyboard shortcuts. And I'll put an image up now for editing and for navigating on a Mac. Then there's also a set of shortcuts for editing and navigating on Windows, and I'll pop them into here. Yeah, for those of us that love that. All right, and then lastly, number 5 is the ability to convert handwritten notes to text in the desktop app. Now, so this is my reMarkable app here, my desktop app, and I'm just going to show you how it converts to text now. So if I go into this document here and I go to the next page, I've got some writing here. Okay, now if I over here on the right select the selection tool and then I highlight those words there, you'll see the options come up to cut, copy, and this is available on your tablet, but now it's available in the desktop app. When I click on A, watch converting to text in English down the bottom. Converted text was pasted. M, where you can ask, find me questions. Okay, so I'm going to undo that for a second. Click undo, where you can find me and ask me questions on Facebook. This is the Facebook group I've got running at the moment because Facebook closed my reMarkable for Beginners group. So where you can find me and ask questions. So you can see it converted that to text. If I just highlight, again, use the selection tool, highlight for beginners, you click on convert to text, and there it is for beginners. It interprets whatever you've written. Now, it's taken away my text, which I don't love that. I like it to add an additional page or add that text in addition. So I'm going to undo it for now because I like it in handwriting. But that is just to show you how you can do that. Awesome. So that's it, basically a summary of the 3.10 update. But look out for the beta update that I'm just taping now, beta 3.11. There's a really cool new thing that's happening in that one. All right, thank you so much for watching. Sending you lots of love. See you later.